as we prepare for this meditation, I want you to find a quiet place, and you can sit in a chair that has a back to support you, or you can lie on the floor. You want to align your body where you're feeling very, very comfortable. Now you're going to take your two hands and you're going to turn the palms upwards. And you're going to keep the palms open, turning upwards, as you relax and set your body in place. Now you're going to breathe in, then you're going to breathe out. Then you're going to breathe in again, then you're going to breathe out. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, allow your mind to go wherever it wants to go. Just release. Just let go of everything and allow your mind to wander off. Then as you become just a little bit more relaxed, you're going to focus on your breathing. And as you continue to focus on your breathing, you will find yourself becoming even more calm. And you'll have less thoughts. Now, when you reach this stage where you're having less thoughts, where you feel more relaxed and more focused, I want you to take your right hand and rest your right hand at the lower part of your stomach, the lowest area of your stomach, very close to your pelvic areas. And then I want you to take your left hand and bring it to the area of your heart. And as we come in to that place of our intention, we would think of all the things that we must give gratitude for, things that we must be grateful for. And as you breathe in and you breathe out, think of a happy moment in your life. As you think of that happy moment in your life, think of the feeling that you had and cultivate that feeling. And as you breathe out, you're going to squeeze that lower part of your stomach that is connected between the buttocks area and your private area. And you're going to pull the energy from there and bring it upwards. That's why I ask you to rest your hand right at the lower part of your stomach. And in your imagination, you're going to see that energy rising to the heart, the place of your emotion. And there you will have that feeling of the happiest moment in your life. As you bring yourself into this magical state, you want to do so with thanksgiving in your heart for every good thing that has happened in your life and every good thing that you expect in your life also. And as you get in to that feeling of the happiest moment in your life, and you remember how you felt in the happiest moments of your life, I want you to think of the things that you are grateful for in 2021. And as you think of the things that you're grateful for, see yourself having them written down first of all. So if you haven't written them down before, you start thinking now about writing it in a special book. And as you see yourself writing your desires down, or you see your desires as already written down, I want you to go to the end. See yourself already having that which you so desire. See your hands holding the things that you're supposed to hold. Feel your feet walking to the places that you must walk to, whether in a home or out in the public. Feel yourself in that action while having the feeling of your wish fulfilled with that heart of gratitude. Remain in that feeling of gratitude and that joy and that peace of such a moment in your life. And see yourself already being and doing and having all of your desires accomplished that you want to be accomplished in a 1 year time. And as you breathe in and breathe out, and you squeeze on your lower abdominals and pull that energy upward and bring it to your heart. You take your intention all the way up to your crown chakra or the third eye chakra and send it out into the world with thanksgiving, with gratitude. When you finish, you can now remove your hands and place your hands at your side if you're lying, or on your knees if you're seated, and continue your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Remember to breathe in and breathe out. And remain in that feeling of your wish fulfilled, and see in your imagination that energy from the lower part of your abdomen. See that energy rises all the way up to your crown chakra and your third eye chakra and streaming out into the ether. And look through the eyes of your imagination. While you remain in that happy moment of your life, still feeling the feeling of accomplishment, success, peace, joy, happiness. And say within yourself, thank you, Father, for hearing me, for I know that thou always hear me. You repeat it again, thank you, Father, for hearing me. Now you're going to say that in your imagination. So you're not going to say it audibly. You repeat that about 9 times in your meditation. Thank you, Father, for hearing me, for I know that thou always hear me. While you remain in that state of gratitude, thanksgiving, thinking of how grateful you are for the things that you already accomplished. Though you haven't seen them in the 3-dimensional world, you see them in the 4-dimensional world, and you believe because you believe in your higher self, your true self. And you remain in that state of thanksgiving. Hearing others congratulating you of your success and what you have accomplished. And you remain in that feeling of thanksgiving. Now you still focus and concentrated and see the world the way you want to see the world, in that state of happiness and joy that you remember, and you stay in that feeling. See yourself loving others as you would love to be loved and accepted and appreciated. And be grateful. See yourself making your contribution, giving up your service, and in return, you're receiving your reward. and get into that feeling of gratitude. Never get out of that state of gratitude. Like a stream pouring over your body. So to feel that energy, that vibration, that frequency of thanksgiving running all through your veins. See how powerful you are. See how loved you are. When you see things through the eye of imagination, the eye of God, and you believe in yourself, and you remain in that attitude of gratitude, you open up a world of possibilities. Because you've put your talent to work. And you're enjoying the fruits of your labor as you labor in love.